Hi guys, we're back again. Second wax I purchased off of, I think it was like Instagram. Oh look, I got a sticker. Oh cute. Tickled pink, Hypnotic purple, Seduction. And I went for both of these because they were scent free. And I think this was one of the two most popular. I'll get a receipt so I don't remember what I paid. All right, let's warm this sucker up and let's see how she does. Okay, which one should we try first? Let's try it out. I'm going to attempt to wax my underarm. Oh, it's really hot. I lied. We're gonna hold off on that and turn it down. And we're gonna try the purple one. So it's kind of pointless to show you because it's hard to see. So I'll show you when the wax comes off. It's a beautiful color.